Hello, my name is Natalia Porsche and I am an immigration attorney here in the United States. I practice immigration law in all 50 states in the US. So in this video, I would like to speak about WAWA. So what is WAWA? WAWA is the law which was passed by a Congress in order to protect innocent spouses and children who were a victim of domestic abuse. Okay, so what WAWA does is give you a permission to apply for a green card based on that relationship that you can establish. So the question is, who will qualify as a person who can get a green card under WAWA? Well, first of all, like I mentioned, you must establish eligible relationship. Okay, so who can file? Let's speak about this first. So number one, if you are a spouse of U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident and you was battered and or abused by a U.S. citizen spouse or LPR, legal permanent resident spouse. Also, if you have a child under the age of 21, this child can be included in your application. Another category of people who can apply for a green card under WAWA are parents of United States citizens' children. The same criteria apply. You must establish not only qualifying relationship, but you also must show that you will suffer a battery or you was battered or you suffer extreme cruelty from the hands of that person who is your child and also U.S. citizen or U.S. citizen. Okay. So who else can apply? Children under the age of 21 can apply under WAWA, okay? And also, if you are, let's say, between the age of 21 and 25, you can also apply, but only if you can show that the delay in application was based on that abuse, okay? All right, so this is the category of people who can apply under WAWA and get a green card. The other beautiful thing about WAWA is I would like to mention is that you can get a work permit. You can get a work permit based on WAWA. So also the other very great benefit of applying for green card under WAWA is the inadmissibility grounds of illegal entry into the United States do not apply to you. Okay, so that means that you don't have to leave the US in order to get adjustment of status. You can get adjustment of status over here. Let's say if you enter the United States illegally, then you don't have to leave the United States. You don't have to do a waiver. Now, there are different grounds of inadmissibility which will apply to you. That's why you need to consult with an experienced immigration attorney in order to get a full information before you can file your application for WAWA under WAWA. Okay, so let me speak about the process, how you can start your WAWA application. Let's say you came here in the United States and you married a U.S. citizen or LPR. Now you're in an abusive relationship and this person extremely abusive and show you extreme cruelty. So now you can file Form I-360. You can start by filing Form I-360 with USCIS. You have to look at jurisdiction, of course, where to file, and that could be found on USCIS website. Also, there is more information about this WAWA law and how you can qualify. If you're unsure, you can also visit USCIS website in your free time and find out more information. Remember, if you have conflicting sources of information, always refer to USCIS. So now you can file I-360 to start your process. You can also apply, check a box in your 360 to apply for a work permit. When you are approved, when visa is available to you, you can file adjustment of status application or a green card application here in the United States. Okay, so this is the process. Very important, two things are very important, like I said in this video earlier, that you must show the qualifying relationship, number one, and number two, you must collect the evidence that will show that you have been battered or you have suffered an extreme cruelty from that person. The other beautiful thing about WAWA is that person who abused you do not have to know that you file for a green card on your own. Okay, that's the protection that WAWA provides, and that's, I think it's a great tool. If you're in an abusive relationship, you do not have to stay in an abusive relationship in order to get a green card. That's a great tool for you to stay safe, to get to the safe place. There are plenty of domestic shelters around the area. You can also call a hotline, domestic violence hotline in your area, or you can call 911 if it's an extreme situation. Always stay safe and make sure you read more information on USCIS website. If you would like to set up a consultation with my law firm, you can call us. 228-229-7500 is our phone number, and we will be more than happy to discuss your case. So if you like this video, put thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching again.